Well, I got to talk over this funky, weird-ass music, but this is a 1929 Ford Model A pickup, and it's in great shape, and I really like the idea behind the pickup because May 1927, after the product of production of over 15 million Model Ts, Henry Ford announced a new car, produces the 4,858 5 million Model A cars from late 1927 to early 1932. The Model A features several models and prices. The two-door, which is a two-door sedan, $495. You can see that coupe. Yeah, so we got them all there. And this one's the Roadster pickup, open cab truck, $395. That's this one. So this one was cheaper. To me, it's more freaking better. 201 cubic inch, 40 horsepower, modern 3-speed manual, non-synchronized transmission. Top speed 65, cruising 40 to 45. Mechanical drum brakes, no juice brakes, 21-inch. So, and you got the 6-volt system. So, it's a good, you know, you can actually drive this as long as you're not cruising down the interstate. Harley Davidson Racing. All right. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me, man. Harley Davidson Racing, right? Okay. All right. I got to watch out for this damn music here. So, anyway, over now.